everyone, this is Elle Fernandez. How do I handle criticism? I simply don't mind them because I know myself well, and also I put myself into a position to be judged. Sometimes it may be hurtful, but I still don't mind them because if I'm gonna do that, then ako naman yung masisira. How do I handle criticism? Siyempre, medyo masasaktan din ako, lalo na yung pag pinupuna yung characteristic ko, yung personality. Ano na lang, tanggapin na lang natin. And kaya naman, we should embrace ourselves, mahalin natin ang sarili natin.